Obvious versus oblivious. These are two commonly confused words in English. Let's take a look at them now. Obvious means that something is clear and very easy to understand. Maybe something that is common sense. For example, she has tears in her eyes and she looks really angry. It's obvious that she is upset. Her resume and her job experience are exceptional. She is the obvious choice for the job. Oblivious means that you are not concerned with something or you don't notice something. For example, even though there was a lot of chaos happening around the woman, she was oblivious to it because she was so focused on her work. I called my friend's name, but he was oblivious to my presence. It is possible to use obvious and oblivious in the same sentence. For example, although it was obvious to everybody that she did not like that man, he was oblivious to that fact and continued to ask her on a date. Although it was obvious to everyone that there was something stuck in my teeth, I was completely oblivious to it. Those are the differences between obvious and oblivious. Obvious, clear to understand and see. Oblivious, you are unaware and not conscious of something that's happening. Hopefully you can now use and understand these two commonly confused words in English. And now it's time for Question of the Day. Today's question is, what is something that you think is obvious but that other people seem to be oblivious to? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you found it useful, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.